Top tier as Suarez's kick. That was strong enough to go out there and reach the top tier. And all the administrators now. Has Leo got the ball? Has the goat got his ball? Where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in. Another kick. He's lining him up this side towards the stands. So yeah, all the administrators, all the stakeholders, everybody, thank you once again on behalf of all the football fans to bring the GOAT himself into the India Tour 2025. We'll take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goal post was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt, no doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement. Is that a straight shot? Yes, it is. Yeah, the left foot comes out. We saw the third goal also from Messi All-Stars, his forward striker. Inclusive, it teaches you to accommodate everybody alongside with you in your life, and this is exactly why we say you